Okay, today we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Right here we have one polynomial, and then we have another polynomial. We know we are adding the polynomials because of the sign in the middle. That shows us we are adding the polynomial. Now what we're going to do is, step one when adding polynomials is to drop the parentheses and bring everything down. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to put our equal sign. We're going to drop the parentheses and bring everything down. So 3x squared plus 8x minus 2. We're dropping the parentheses. This is a positive 5x squared minus 7x plus 4. Again, all we did, because it's addition, is drop the parentheses and bring everything down. Our next step would be to combine like terms. Now, we have to look at like terms. Like terms are based upon the variable and the exponent. They have to have the same variable and exponent for them to be like terms. So, we have an x squared here and an x squared here. So both of those are like terms, so we add the coefficients. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. And then we have to make sure we take into account our variable with its exponent, which is x squared. Alright, so now we're done with that. That's gone. Now we look at our next variable, our next like term, which would be x and x. Well, I've got now I'm going to combine or add the coefficients. So I have a positive 8 and a negative 7. So 8 minus 7, or 8 plus a negative 7, which gives us a positive 1x. Now you notice I didn't put a 1 here, okay, because it's understood that if I just have a variable, there's a 1 in front of it. If you want to, you can put a 1 here, but in mathematics, all you need is just the x. So those two are gone. Now I look at my last like term, which are my two constants. I have a negative 2 and a positive 4. You combine them, you get a positive 2. Negative 2 plus 4 gives you a positive 2. And that would be our final answer for adding polynomials.